Today I'm going to go over how to replace a side marker bulb. That's this one. It's not the turn signal. This just illuminates the car from the side. The turn signal is this one here. These are the only two front bulbs that you can replace on a Nissan Rogue. So all the other ones are LEDs and you have to replace the entire fixture. Kind of a pain in the butt, but these are actually still bulbs, and I'm going over how to do this one right here. This is for a Nissan Rogue, third generation, probably similar for other generations as well, but this is the one I have. This is from 2021 up to 2026. This will cover, and so this bulb right here, if we just peek in here, is this connector right here. Let me get focus for you. So that guy right there spins this way, counterclockwise from this perspective, and yeah, and I'm gonna put some gloves on. Now the reason you want to use gloves is if you touch your bulb with just the natural grease on your hands, it can substantially shorten the life of your bulb. So that's the fixture right there. And we just want to grab the base of it, turn counterclockwise. So there. So that just was, bloop. Try to grab it from here and not the wires. And then that's our bulb. This is the bulb I'll be using. It's a 194, but these also have 3 different names. So they're like 194, 5W5, I think it's like 2896. They have a couple different names for the exact same bulb. Yay! But they're these tiny little bulbs. I'll put a link in the description to these. I do make a commission off of my links. That helps me keep my channel going, and I appreciate it when you guys use those. And this guy with my relatively clean hands will come out like this and just pull out. Now, if you do use an LED, sometimes you can put them in the wrong way. If it's a regular bulb like this, you can't. So sometimes before I go put it back in, I'll just go check real quick, turn the car on, make sure this illuminates, and then I'll reinstall it. But LEDs have been the only thing that have given me that problem with putting them in. You flip it 180 degrees and then it works fine. So there is a direction that LEDs sometimes need to go. Now there is the hole, and you can see those, that it's not perfectly round. It has those little marks, and one is bigger than the other. And you can see on here, you want to line that big one right there up, and that big one is to the side there. So let's line that up here. And if you can't see, because I can't actually see with my eyes, I can pull back. You can just kind of wiggle around, rotate it 180 until you find that sweet spot. There we go. So I found it. Then I'm going to rotate clockwise. So to take it out counterclockwise, to put it back in, we're going to go clockwise from the perspective of the driver. I get yelled at when I'm pointing it this way and I say clockwise, but it's this way and clockwise. Counterclockwise to take it off, and clockwise to secure it back in. Now that should go in. You shouldn't see any light. See, it's all the way in that fixture. If it does help, you can disconnect the wire and do it that way, but that is it. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.